Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can reset your Steam password. It's pretty simple. First you need to open your Steam app, and you can easily download Steam app from your Play Store or App Store. And after you open it, at the bottom you can see the option called Forgot Your Account Name or Password. You want to click on that option. Once you click on that option, it's going to take you to this page. Now over here, what you want to do is you want to click on the first option where you say, I forgot my Steam account name or password. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to enter your email or your phone number. Now whichever email you used or your phone number you used, you need to type that over here. So I used my email when I created my Steam account, so I will enter my email, but you enter whichever information you typed when you created your Steam account. After you enter your email, click on I'm not a robot to verify you're a human and click on search. And then it's going to show you this. So what you want to do is at the top where it says email account verification code, click on that. And once you do that, a verification code is going to be sent to your email. So in my case, I used my email, but if it is a mobile number, it's going to send you a verification code on your SMS. So I'm going to go check my email real quick. And as you guys can see, Steam has sent me this link. Now I can click on resume recovery. Click on Chrome and it's going to take me to the next step. So let's wait for some time until I'm on the next step. So I'm on the next step. Now over here what I need to do is click on reset my password and it's going to take me to my password changing place. Now over here I can enter my new password, and after I enter my new password, I can enter my new password again at the bottom to confirm it. Once it's confirmed, click on change password and your password will be changed. That is how you guys can change your Steam password. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.